Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Rob from Panther, and I just discovered this new form. While I was, last time I was exploring with this flower. I just finished this flower stuff I, wanted to upload, and after I finished, I just kept experimenting and just, came out to this flower. Of course, I saw that this flower made also by Tamara from Georgia. I also saw on her page. It's an amazing stuff. She's doing a really good designs in there, so go check her out. I'm probably gonna leave the link down below. And yeah, I'm gonna just start from here, like how to create the this whole thing out of golden ratio. If you don't know how to create this golden ratio spiral, then click here up on the right corner to find out how to create that. And what I'm gonna do is select this and just go and create this process. Okay, some of you already seen this process or that process or whatever, the tutorial. You can check those out, but I just gonna recreate this. So press and hold Alt and drag it to the right, rotate it with Shift, press and hold Shift, rotate it like that, stick it to this point right here, press and hold Alt again, rotate it with Shift, press and hold Shift and rotate that. Okay, we're gonna place this here. Is it perfect? Yeah, it's good. Again, press and hold Alt, drag it, rotate it with Shift, press and hold Shift. Same idea. And put it right there. Okay. Look at the first up. We don't need that circle thing right there. We're gonna recreate it exactly in the exact same size, actually. Why not? We're gonna need only these spirals, these curvy elements right here. So I'm gonna press and hold Alt and then press Shift, drag it somewhere around here. I'm gonna press A, or you can go to the direct selection tool, select this, delete it, press delete again, select, delete, select, delete, and so on and so forth. Let's group these, right click, group, and now we're gonna go here and select the reflect tool. Double click on the reflect tool, select vertical, and click copy. So right now we're here. We're gonna go and press Ctrl plus C and then Ctrl plus F. So it's gonna put another copy on front, or you also can go to the edit and press paste in front, or paste in back. From here, we're gonna press and hold Shift and rotate it once, something like this. So we got the flower. From here, we're gonna create a new copy. So the original one will leave intact. Press and hold Alt, of course, and then Shift to isolate it, just like that. From here, I'm gonna press Shift plus M, or you can go to the menu and select Shape Builder tool and just draw these together, something like this. Okay, so we did this. Now what we're gonna do is select one slice of this curvature from here. I'm thinking to group them all. Yeah, it would be better to group. Actually, I'm gonna create a new copy and then group these. Actually, bear with me. Let's just create a new copy. Let's group this and let's ungroup this. So there's like a lot of layers going on, so we need to ungroup it more, not just once. And we're gonna select this one and delete these. Okay, we're here. Now we're gonna go and select, where the hell is that tool? Let me find it real quick. No. Oh, there you go, the scissor tool. Or press the C. You're gonna select the scissor tool and go here at this anchor point, click on it, and click on this anchor point. What the scissor tool does is basically we cut this, we're gonna ungroup it, and we basically cut this form in two pieces. Why we did it? So we can multiply the lines with the blend tool, because otherwise you can't do that stuff. Actually, I'm gonna show you why not. We're gonna ungroup this, and hopefully today it's gonna ungroup it. So let's say, let's just do this. Let's just multiply the lines. So this one is like cut in 2 pieces with the squeezer. We're gonna go to Object, we're gonna go to Blend and Make. And from here, we're gonna go and double click on this blend tool. Press preview, go to specified steps, increase the number to, let's say, I don't know, 5. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's try to do the same thing with this, which is not cut in 2 pieces. Go to Object, Blend, and you can see we can't make it, can't do it, because they're like together. Okay, I'm gonna also increase the size of the stroke, because it's a little bit too thin. 5 should be alright. I'm gonna create a new copy to not touch the original part. Actually, before we go on this, we're gonna just put it here, you know. So this is the first slice in here. We need to find the center point. I'm gonna select the pen tool, go here to the pen tool, and let's do an X like this. And there you have the center point. I'm gonna decrease the size. And let's select this. And let's go to the menu, to the rotate tool. And press and hold Alt, and then click right here where they intersect in the center. And now we're gonna click previews, and we're gonna rotate this angle to go right here in the slice. It should be around here. Perfect. And we're gonna click copy, and now we're gonna click Control plus D again and again until it's gonna go and rotate it. So I don't need this one. We just have perfect replica. What a name. I'm gonna select all these and group them. Control G, let's bring this to the side. Perfect. And from here, okay, let's make some different circles. Actually, this is gonna be the original. I'm gonna edit this one. This is like fully editable. You can increase the stroke like this, or you can decrease or increase the number. You just go to the blend tool, double click on it, preview, and you can increase the number of the lines inside, and it's gonna give you different results. Oh, I think we can do another thing. Actually, do I really want to do that? I don't even know. I'm gonna try it out. Add a gradient. I'm thinking to add a gradient. Oh, it's not gonna work like that. Actually, wait a sec. I didn't put it on the stroke. So I'm gonna put it on the stroke. There you go. It works, but basically need to let me think. What if no, you can't do that stuff. Yeah, I just mix it up. It just mixed it up. Okay, bear with me. I'm gonna fix this. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna need this one. Ungroup it. We're gonna need this, and we're gonna put the gradient on this one. Actually, so we got the gradients right here. We're gonna press it. Make sure it's on the stroke, not on the fill. Not here on the fill, because it's gonna look like this. Make sure it's on the stroke. Which was the thickness of this? I don't even know. Let me double check. It was 9. This is 9. And now I'm gonna press G, the letter G, and incredibly we can't modify. We cannot modify, you know, the gradients, like where to be and how to be. But from here we also can, like, wait a minute, what am I doing? We can modify here the gradients just like that. I don't know why it doesn't let me do it, but I don't know, it's gonna be a mystery for me right now. So anyways, I'm gonna bring this back here, and Again, I need to find out where the center is here. I'm gonna do the X. Let me decrease the size. Let's go to strokes. Good. I'm gonna press O. Is that? No. The R. I'm gonna press R. So, or you can select the rotate tool. Press and hold Alt and press, like click on the where they intersect, right in the center again. 55 degrees is already in there. I'm gonna click copy, Control D until it's. So yeah, we got a different result. It's a new experiment. This is basically really freestyle what I did right now, because I just thought of this in this second, so I decided to create it, so why not. As you can see, here's like a weird stuff going on. We can correct that, no problem. Actually, aesthetically we can correct it, but technically to adjust this is basically complicated. But I'm just gonna select circle. You can select the circle from here if you want to do the same. This is just a freestyle I just discovered, so I'm gonna press and hold Alt and Shift and create a circle right here in the center. So that ugly thing just disappeared, but still doesn't look that good right now. But you know, it needs to be experimented more, you know, to do some more discovery on this stuff. Or we can do an octagon. I'm just gonna select the polygon tool, create a polygon. As you can see, it has like 6 sides. Release it, but don't release the mouse, release the shortcuts. The shift, for example, and just press the upper arrow twice. So right now we got the octagon. Don't release the mouse. Okay, now press shift again, and we're gonna bring this in somewhere around here. So it looks something like this. As you can see, this one is up, so it doesn't fit there. But anyway, this one is closer. This one is way closer than with the circle. So yeah, this is kind of the practical part of this golden ratio, flower, spiral, or vortex. I don't know what is this. So yeah, if you want to check the other videos related to this, how to create this golden ratio or other golden ratio, you can go here on the right and just click and see other tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye bye.